we're going to look at negative and zero exponents. When a base has a negative exponent, first it is important in inverting the exponent so that the exponent becomes positive. When a base has an exponent of 0, the solution is 1, unless if a negative sign is outside square brackets of an absolute value. So let's look at the first example. The negative exponent a to the negative n becomes 1 over a to the n. When there is a negative exponent, it is important that there be no negative exponents. You take the inverse or divide by 1 by the exponential exponent. Next example, 2 to the negative fourth becomes 1 over 2 to the fourth power, or 1 over 16. In this example, since the base is less than 3, just simplify the expression. Example number 3, 1 plus I to the negative 3 becomes 1 over 1 plus I cubed. Since the full expression is within the brackets, the full expression must be inverted because the whole expression has the negative exponent. Example number 4, 1 plus 0.5 to the 0 power is 1. The number has an exponent of 0, and the solution is 1. Example number 5, negative 4 to the negative 2 power becomes 1 over negative 4 to the second power, which becomes 1 over 16. It is important to remember that the sign for the base does not change and is still negative. The next example is 3/4 to the negative 3 power, which becomes 1 over 3/4 cubed, which becomes 1 over 0.75 cubed, which becomes 2.37. The fraction is converted to a decimal, and then the exponential expression is expanded to its solution. The final example is negative absolute brackets of 3 to the 0 power equals negative of the absolute value of 1, which becomes negative 1. When a term has square brackets, this indicates the absolute value. In this example, the negative sign is in front of the brackets, so taking the negative of the absolute value becomes negative 1. This is the only time where a term to the 0 power is equivalent to negative 1.